Hi there, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background color of a PDF on your PC or laptop, step by step. Whether you're looking to personalize your document or make it easier to read, this guide will walk you through the process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials like this. Let's dive in. Step 1. The first step is to open File Explorer and locate your PDF file. Once you've found it, right-click on the file. From the Context menu, select Open with Microsoft Word. This will convert your PDF into an editable Word document, allowing you to change the background color. Step 2. Once your PDF is open in Word, go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. On the far right, you'll see the Page Color option. Click on it, and a color box will appear. From here, choose the color you want to set as the background for your document. Word will instantly apply the color, and you can preview how it looks. Step 3. After selecting your preferred background color, save your changes. Click on File, then choose Save As. Select a location to save the updated file, and under the File Format options, be sure to choose PDF. This will save your document with the new background color applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of your PDF. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.